Hello! In this video, we will see how to export from Colors Tester and import your color palette into Lunacy by Iconshades right now.
Okay, I just logged in. Now I want to choose one of my palettes I created before. I did some researches. I will choose my pop palette. My pop palette is interesting because of the colors I chose, but also with the white I chose, I want to consider the export of the opacity of that white because it was part of my research. We can see this opacity at 0.6 alpha, which is 60%. We can clearly see that the alpha is not at the maximum. I want this to be considered as well. To import it later, I will export it right now in SVG. You will see later why. Here we are in Lunacy. Lunacy is a quite interesting tool developed by Iconshades that lets you open sketch files under Windows. It's also a complete tool that lets you design files. If you have small projects, it's quite a useful tool that lets you do many things. As well as the same other programs, such as this one, we cannot import directly the palettes in a file. Also, we will take them directly from the SVG we just exported from Colors Tester. On the above part of the SVG, you have the information of the colors, including this information on the alpha channel. The alpha channel for the white that you can see here. When we will import it, we will want to ensure that this is preserved. To import those colors in our swatches, we will just click on the color and import it directly by hitting the Fields color. Ensure that we are in Document and add it, hitting the little plus. We will do it for each single color. Also, doing this way, we ensure that the 60% opacity on the last color white will remain. Now we can set the different colors, such as the background taken from our palette, the foreground taken from our palette, choose one of the colors we want to try out, including the white with the transparency, and even play further with the gradient. The gradient that can be taken with the colors from our palette in our document. Once it's done, we can even decide to remove the SVG if we don't want to keep it in the document. You will see that the colors still appear in our document and remain forever.
That's it for this video. You can access all these functionalities by buying a subscription of 3 or 6 months to the full version of Colors Tester. Thank you for watching and have a colorful day.